Hello pool players, Ron here. Welcome once again to the Pool Student Channel. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. Got this 9-ball rack here. I'm going to add the 10 and the 11 to the back of it. I love this way of practicing my 9-ball break and runs because it gives me a huge challenge. Now, if I break and make something, I spot those balls. And the other thing I do is I go ball in hand after the break in this case. So let's see if we can get it done. It's a great way to practice. One of the things, I'll point them out as I go through the rack, but one of the things I do is I look to flow into the shot line when at all possible. And I'll see if I can point that out to you here. Like here, we're going ball in hand, right? So how can we flow into the shot line on the 2? I always think of that right away. Got to be somewhere over in here. Normally I would go ahead and just play across the line here. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and play it in the side so that I can kind of demonstrate flowing into the shot line. It's a little tougher shot, but that way it gives you guys an idea what I'm talking about here. I'm going to put a little bit of inside spin on it here too. Now see how that cue ball is flowing into the shot line? That is, it makes our runouts more easy, I should say, because it gives us more room for error with our speed. Almost undercut that. Got to have the right angle to get to the 10. A little bit too much draw. That's okay, we'll make this work. To cheat the pocket here and miss the side pocket and draw it back. Kind of cut it a little more than I wanted to, but it'll work out. A little bit too much. Inside to kill it here. And that's how you do it. This is a great way to practice 9-ball. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them in the comments section. Try this and it'll help you big time. Thanks for watching, and until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.